All right, today I got a pretty cool thing to kind of show you. Got a GP3 in here that is having a they track a lot, and they wanted one of these GARMIN Catalysts, which is like basically a GPS for the track. Has all the tracks are like installed on here and everything, and you can record, you know, track times, lap times, shows you display of like other, you know, track information, whatever. But it's pretty freaking cool. Now, the way that I mounted it in here was not the way that I wanted to do it. It was not my choice of where I wanted to mount it, nor how I wanted to mount it, but this is how the customer wanted it mounted. It's over here on the side. It's got some pretty ugly bolts in there right now, but we're gonna fix that up and make them look nice, and either put some black ones in there, because there's nuts behind here that I had mounted it with. Yeah, I basically had to pull out the glove box and the front distribution box, and then splice in just the power and ground. I used the cigarette lighters as the source for power and ground, and yeah, it's pretty neat. I'm gonna have to run the wires. It comes with a camera. I'm gonna have to run the wire through the headliner down the side here, and probably the same with the other wire for the power and ground for the actual unit here. It like comes off, so now with it not disconnected, it's not charging. It has this really cool like mounting and charging mount here, and it's really well designed, and it's pretty firm on here. I was yanking on this thing and it's not going nowhere, but yeah, this thing's pretty freaking neat. Again, it's not exactly how I wanted to mount it. I would have mounted it up here on that panel, but yeah, this is how it's going. This is how they wanted it, so it's pretty freaking neat. But yeah, I'm going to probably make a small hole in the panel on the inside of the glove box that covers the fuses, so I can put the wiring through and just tuck it into the glove box, so whenever they want the wiring or want to use this, they can dismount this here and then just shove the wiring into the glove box, and then when they want to install it, they can just pull the wiring right out of the glove box and plug the stuff in. So yeah, that's all. Kind of show a little after video of everything tucked away and done all nicely, but things pretty cool. GARMIN Catalyst is what it's called, and the people that own this GP and also another GP, two of them, are awesome. So yeah, pretty cool. All right, well, here is the finished product. This is how it's been mounted. I've got it mounted. Just pulls right off of here, goes back on. All you gotta do is plug these guys in when you want to use it. These are wired through the glove box, through the back. All I did was I made a little tiny nice spot for the wires to go through the little panel that covers the fuses over there, and then you're able to just close the glove box, and the wires sit here. Like I said, these it looks all right. Again, was not my decision. I would have done it a little different if it were my own car and such, and my choice, but not my choice. And I actually do kind of like that position. It just sucks that I had to drill into the side of the panel here, but yeah, pretty freaking neat. And it doesn't look too bad, it doesn't look terrible, but the mount, I mean. But This looks sweet. The positioning is awesome. I didn't think I was gonna like it. I like it. But yeah, that's all. Just wanted to kind of show off. All right, so I got the second GP3 here to install the other GARMIN Catalyst. Glove box already taken out, and yeah, second one that I'm gonna install here. Alrighty, so here is GP3 number 2 that I did this GARMIN Catalyst install on. And here's the other one. There's the little bracket. This one actually I think turned out a little better, a little more solid than the other one. The other one's perfect, but I think this one was a little bit better because a little more experience doing this one, but freaking turned out amazing. There it is, if it'll focus. Yep, turn the car off. And it should stop charging. Yep, there it goes. Turn the car on. Boom. There she is. Pretty freaking cool. Gotta say so myself. If it'll focus again, there we go. Pretty neat little gadget. And the thing is on there. Yeah. Enjoy.